going on, you guys? I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm bringing y'all another video content. Today is a good day because this is the first video I'm doing since being in this new location, and well, yeah, that really. We have not put a truck apart on the Cummins in a long time, so it feels good to be able to bolt something up, put something on. I think you guys are gonna like it. I know I'm gonna like it. I already seen it. It's here. Once again, you guys, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. If you can, please smash that like button, and don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel because we have, I don't know if you see that right there, but we got tons of stuff going on the channel, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you want to keep up with it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? So what is it that we are putting on today? Well, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So we are putting on a gloss black exhaust tip. Let's get in the sunlight so you can see it better. Okay, that's right. I got it off Amazon. It was like 50 bucks or $42 on Amazon. I could put links down below for you guys for it if y'all are interested in it. It's a 5-inch to 8-inch, 18-inch long, just a gloss black tip. Nothing, no name brand, no nothing, just basic tip. You know, it's super clean and it's very affordable. I like the bead roll or the roll at the end. I don't like it when it's straight like that. I like it to have the roll. It makes it look nice. Clean welds on it. So we're gonna put that on. Now you guys know we got the side exit going on now because I used to have the axle dump for the longest time. The axle dump I did away with just because I got tired of it. It was too loud, cab drone, all that stuff. So we got the side exit now, but I'm gonna mark up where I want to cut it to put the big boy tip on. All right. So we're gonna do that in a second. I already have my little reciprocating saw set up with a blade. Over here, got some anti-seize, and I'm gonna show you why we use this anti-seize, because if you don't, and pretty much the tip is gonna get stuck to your exhaust pipe. My last tip, I had to cut off of my exhaust because it pretty much welded itself onto the exhaust, whether it's from, you know, snow, salt, whatever it may be. I had to weld it on. So we're gonna be using anti-seize before we slide the tip on the exhaust. I got my Sharpie to mark it, and I got my Allen key to tighten it down once it's on in the position I want it to be. All right, now I got another package that came in today. So if you did not know, we had a little storm named Hurricane Dorian come by, and my mail services kind of got delayed a little bit. We actually got more stuff coming in, but this came in today, and what this is car wash products that I'm partially sponsored by. So I get a discount code that I can also give to you guys. So if you guys are into, you know, detailing your trucks, keeping them clean, trucks, cars, it don't matter what it has, check out a company called Limitless Car Care. Okay, this is them. I do work with them, and they give me, I paid, now they had a huge sale Labor Day weekend, 40% off. There's no detail company I know of that would do 40% off for Labor Day. Like maybe Black Friday, maybe, and that's even a big maybe. But this man here over at Limitless, man, I tell you, dude, it's awesome sales, and I cashed out like a bandit. I'm trying to get all the packaging out. I cashed out like a bandit, man. It was like a kid in the candy store. I think I paid like, I got my receipt here. 1 second. I think I only paid like 80 bucks for all this stuff. But, and it would have cost like, I think whatever, add 40% to 80, and that would be the total. The total's not even on here, whatever. Anyways, I got a lot of stuff. So we got applicator pads, got that, and all this stuff is really good. We got some tire shine called Grip Gloss. You can get that super glossy wet look, which I love, especially on my truck. I love nice glossy wet dripping looking tires, and it doesn't sling. That is the biggest thing, is it doesn't sling. So we got some of that. Just a sprayer. Got some of that waterless wash, so when days I don't feel like washing the truck, we could just break that baby out. Decon degreaser, this stuff right here is the shit. It's an APC, all-purpose cleaner degreaser, but you can use it pretty much on anything. You use it on the tires, you use this on your wheels, tires, Interior, like scrubbing down panels and doors and stuff, it works really good. We got some Strychnine Soap, so like when I'm doing my customers' cars, this is going to be good for stripping any waxes or sealants off of the paint. That way I have a clean surface to start with. So like, you know, prepping the paint for paint correction and sealants and all that stuff. This is brand new. This is a wheel cleaner. It's called Retaliate, but it's an iron remover. So what it is it's clear. You spray it on and it turns purple. You know, your typical iron remover. Got another bottle of soap. I love their soap. Smells like blueberries and it's super good. And we got some detail spray. Simple Shine. So I cashed out like a bandit during that sale. If you guys want, I will have the code. It's super simple. The code for the website for the 15, you would save 15%. It's everything diesel. That's it. The name of the channel. So everything space diesel. That is the code for 15% off over at Limitless Car Care website. And check their website out. What I love about it is it's super simple. It's super easy to navigate. You know, I know some companies they got too much of the same thing. This one, you need a soap, they got the soap. You need a tire shine, they got one of everything you need. And the thing is it works and it's good stuff. I like it. You can also check out their Instagram. They have an Instagram, Limitless Car Care. You can see them over there, like, you know, what they're doing and whatnot. So, and also if you go to the website, my truck picture is actually featured on their website. So it's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get set up and we're gonna swap or put this tip on, all right? Filthy, but it sounds good. We're gonna go rinse her off now. Hey, what are you doing? Man, look at all that dirt, man. Hey, get this bitch clean. Woo. What are you doing? Did you start this truck? You started the truck, huh? All right, you guys, so we are driving right now. We're gonna wind the windows down. Figure I'd give you guys a little sound note of the tip. To be 100% honest with you guys, it does sound the same, but it's not a big deal because honestly, I wasn't doing it for sound, I was doing it for looks. I just like the way an 8-inch tip looks. Okay, I lied. The sound definitely changed. A lot more, way more deeper. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. So the sound changed. I'll let you guys hear it. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me show you. Oh, wrong way. All right. Yeah, I like that. Definitely. All right, that's enough horsing around. Let me get the windows lined up. So what we're gonna do right now, where I'm going to the car wash. So for those of you that don't know, yesterday, was it Saturday? Yeah. Yesterday was opening season for deer hunting, archery only. I did go out yesterday morning, probably until about 2:30ish. We planned on doing an all-day hunt. You know, get down, get some food, get back in the tree around, I don't know, 12:30 to 12:45, and that didn't go planned because it was 90 degrees with 70-80% humidity, and it felt like 100. It was very hot, and we only had what 2-3 mile per hour winds yesterday, so it wasn't ideal for hunting for deer in terms of the wind and all that, but it was still a good day, man. Opening season, you gotta love it. Oh yeah, that sounds way better. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Only thing that's gonna suck, I'll show you guys when we get to the car wash. Only thing that's gonna suck is rinsing off, or the tip's gonna take a beating from my back tire. But I mean, when you pay $40 for a tip, you know, it ain't a big deal, you know. That's the thing about me, man. Some guys, you got guys that do it for stature, they do it for, I don't know, egotism. I don't know what it's called, but they have to buy name brand all the time. They have to get name brand. They have to get the highest name brand thing out there on the market. And I am completely bipolar opposite, you guys. All my exhaust tips on my truck have been eBay, Amazon exhaust tips. I cannot tell myself to pay $150 for the same exhaust tip, except the company stamped their name on the side of it, or they put a little etching on the side, and I'm paying $100 more. Nah, I'm good. Go on Amazon, get that $45 tip, 2-day shipping. It's on my door in 2 days. I'm done. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how I am, man. Now, obviously, there are things you don't want to cheap out on. For example, using Chinese head studs. It's a common practice more on the muscle car side, like your old school Chevys and Fords, but you ask any real mechanic, they'll tell you stay the fuck away from those Chinese head studs. Same thing, you know, when it comes to certain things, you know, these Cummins engines utilize a lot of Bosch fuel system components, Bosch and Denso. So the starter is made by the company Denso. I believe Denso is Japanese or Korean. I'm pretty sure they're Japanese. We want to try to stick to OEM as much as possible in that aspect. But when it comes to aftermarket parts, man, I'm telling you guys, if one thing looks the same, smells the same, sounds the same, all that stuff, and it's half the price because it's not name brand, well, call me a cheap ass. I don't give a fuck, because I'm buying that one. What else we got? Oh yeah, more things coming. So we're gonna be having, make sure I'm not over my time. 4? Okay, yeah, we're good. So we're gonna be having some more parts coming in right now. Fuck it, I don't care. I'm gonna tell you guys this one because I've been telling you guys you gotta watch next. I'm done. We got amp research steps coming for the truck. Finally, yes, electric pop-out steps, power steps. I am so pumped, so happy. I finally pulled the trigger, was able to do it. They are expensive, but I'm tired of, my chair is beat to shit from me dragging my ass in and out of my truck, and I'm 6'3". My truck's not super tall, but you still got to jump up to get in it. This is going to alleviate that. My wife will be able to get in easy. My son can't even get in, so it doesn't matter right now. But yeah, so yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, you guys, we're about to pull up to the car wash. I'm gonna get y'all set up, get the truck set up, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys. So we're here at the car wash. Now, I am not an advocate of washing. I don't even know what the fuck the freaking brush is. I'm not an advocate of using these horse brushes. They scratch your paint to crap. Now I know, oh Jesus, that's zoomed super bad. These scratch your paint to crap. Now I know I don't have the best paint when it's dirty, but when she's clean, she's pretty damn clean for a 10, 11-year-old truck, original paint job, okay? So it's super filthy. Like I said, I went hunting yesterday. The only reason why this is all over the truck was because it rained a lot from the hurricane and the ground was wet, so my tires spun a little bit, so it slung up all of this everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse all of this off. Now I want you guys to remember how this wheel looks right now. Mind you, it's ceramic coated, and then the truck is not ceramic coated yet, but it will be. And I want you to remember how the wheel looks, and then when I'm done, you guys are gonna see it after. Look at all that. All right. So I know it's not beautiful, but it'll do. I just had to get the majority of that mud off of it, man, because I tell you, see the wheels, man? All that junk that was on the wheels is gone now. Coils are doing good. If someone's gonna ask in the comments, what I use is not powder coat. This is engine enamel paint, okay? That's what I use on my coils, on my springs, whatever. All right, yep, back here too. All right, now it's not 100% clean, okay? But it's definitely nice. It looks good. Put it like that. It looks good, okay? So I went ahead, rinsed her off. You know, you come over here to the car wash. You don't use the brush and the soap, but you rinse off your truck if you got a bunch of mud and stuff on it. Because I'd rather rinse it off here than go to my house and rinse it off my house, and I got to rinse my driveway down and all that stuff, okay? New tip. Comment down below what you think of the new tip, okay? All right. Yeah. All right, you guys, we're gonna end this out. So, can you see me? There we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for checking it out. I hope y'all have a good week until the next video, which will be soon. Y'all take it easy, be safe, and peace out.